Shake, shake. Hi, everyone. This is Yana Smakula. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. I know this is way past Christmas and you guys have probably already opened your advent calendars. I am late, but better late than never. And today we're looking at the day 19 of the Spellbinders Crafty Advent Calendar. I am determined to complete all 24 videos featuring products from this advent calendar. Even if I'm a little behind, I still want to do them all. So let's go ahead and look at day 19. Oh, look at that. Looks like we have a cool sentiment set. Now, I will say, I have already seen all of the products inside the Spellbinders advent calendar because if you go to the Spellbinders blog, there is a blog post that features projects. These are really cool for inspiration. And these projects feature the surprises from every day of the advent calendar. So I've seen all of the products. Nonetheless, it is still fun to open my advent calendar and enjoy a little goodie, a little treat inside. So today we have a stamp set. We have 4 sentiments here. You make me smile, rolling by to say hi. Oh, and by the way, I know this one's going to work really nice with one of the next day die sets. I'm not going to spoil it in case you haven't opened yours yet. You are out of this world, and thanks. Okay, let me think about my card, and hopefully I won't take as long as the last time to make it. So here's a look at the card I have for you today with the next day surprise. I opted to use the You Make Me Smile sentiment, and I debated what kind of die set or what kind of product I wanted to pair it with. I could have used other products from the advent calendar, but I kind of wanted to, dig deep or go back and look at all of the or some of the other older die sets that I have in my stash from Spellbinders, especially the die sets that I haven't used in a long time. And I remember the Parcel and Post die set, this fun little mailbox. I love this mailbox. I have a video where I share a couple of cards with the mailbox die, and I absolutely adore this collection. It's in that collection, there's like the mailbox and a couple of add-ons. There's like a Christmas add-on. There also was a set with cool little sentiments that you can put on the front of the mailbox. I feel like that one might be already discontinued, but I'm not sure. If it's not, I'll have links to all of the mailbox or parcel and post products in the video description below. But anyhow, what I did is I decided I would cut the You Make Me Smile and make it into a 3-line sentiment. So that's what I did. I cut my clear stamp apart. I heat embossed it in white embossing powder, and that kind of gave me the starting point for this mailbox. So I assembled the mailbox. I cut the pieces out from colored cardstock. I used poppy and pomegranate for the mailbox itself, along with mere gold for the handle. I then die cut the flowers and the envelopes from peridot, rainforest, and fern, and then seaside and waterfall. I also used white cardstock for, the white flowers and like the white envelopes. I used regular white as well as white from the antique white treasured cardstock pack. And I feel like the one that I used is the brushed white, or like the brushed metallic. It's this one. Really like this paper. I actually really like all of the paper from this pack. Also, one more thing that I did, when I was almost ready with the mailbox, I grabbed one of the little corners that I created the die from the previous day of the advent calendar. And to me, it kind of looked like a cool, like a neat little corner, like a photo corner. If you remember those photo corners, back in the days when we did our photo albums, we had like little photo corner stickers that we could add onto our photo albums to hold the photos in place. And that kind of looked like that shape to me. And I thought, it would be nice if I could add it here. I wanted to add more than one, but I already had a whole bunch of flowers here overlapping that, so I opted not to do that. Instead, I die cut additional and I added them here around the 4 edges of this panel. This one was cut. I featured it in the previous video as well. So this is the Perfect Touch Rectangles and Tag die set. And I cut this from Anchor cardstock. I experimented with different colors for the background. I tried chiffon, I tried purple, all sorts of colors. And I don't know, they just didn't click for me. I figured Anchor, this dark gray color, was kind of a nice change. I don't know. Maybe it's too dark, but I actually quite like it. So this is a look at the card I have for you today with the, I feel like it's day 19. Gosh, I keep forgetting what day it is. Anyhow, so this is my project with the Spellbinders Crafty Advent Calendar, and fingers crossed, I'll be back tomorrow with the next surprise.